What's up, y'all? Check me out what we got going on today. Lexus work. I'm gonna try to make these little 22s look like something, man. Like I said, I bought them for cheap, and of course they got, you know, cheap wheel issues, like you can see in there. The paint has been chipping. The wheel just doesn't shine. That's super dirty, but like it don't really shine super hard. So I'm gonna try to get my 22s, you know, looking decent again. Like you can see, they got little scrapes and stuff like that on them. So that's just that wheel. The back wheel. So the car it used to be on, obviously it was rubbing, and also it rubs on my car. So the back wheels are in terrible shape. Like all these, you know, rub marks. Like I say, my car didn't do all those. I bought them like this for the most part, but my car did do some. So, you know, these are rough condition. Like I say, kind of the same thing here, where when I clean it up, it looks good in pictures, but it's just not shining, you know, like I want it. And let's go to the other side. This right here is the reverse wheel. I got it on this side so I can see it, but this wheel was actually welded before. You can see that weld right there. So that just basically means it broke, and someone repaired it. Not sure how good the repair is, but this right here is the reverse wheel out of the 4. And this tire is bad. It has a crack. Let's see if I can find it for y'all for the camera. Right here, look at this crack. It is a crack in the tire right there. And this one is the best one. Just a little bit of paint coming off. So anyway, long story short, front tires are great. Good tread on the back tires, but they too far gone. So I hit my guy Habib up at Rim Shop in Charlotte. I'm gonna go by there tomorrow, get 2 new tires put on the back, and then when I get home, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna repaint them, and then hopefully we're gonna make these little Lexanis look like something for, you know, the first time, and you know, should help out with the car. So what we got to do is get the ram to the storage unit to get the factory tires. So I'm taking these all the way off. Say we'll get them repainted, and then we'll get them back on the car. So off to the storage unit we go. Look at this. Problem with having rims on several cars. Factories there, and over there in the corner is the Lexus tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. Never sell your factory wheels when you're going rims. Never know when you need them. All right, load it up. To the house we go. Take the wheels off. Wheel lock key is in. 4-way jack. And repeat this 4 times, and you go from this, and this is what you end up with. All factory, and they dirty and all. We got a slight delay. Get some gas in here. Jeez. Much better. What's up, y'all? I gotta see if they was able to get my wheels situated. There y'all go. All wheels and tire needs in the area. Ram Shop in Charlotte. Couple things out here. This ram right here, I seen it, man. This thing was so hard to me. Got a flat tire, but it's on 26s, 37s on a by 10. Seen it a long time ago, and there's mine. It's crazy. So anyway, said they have them done in a few minutes. So I'm about to chill in the truck till they done, and it's to the crib. Alright, y'all, we back home. So check me out. Ignore this right here for another video. Alright, so let's pull the tires out. Wheels, tires, whatever. So there we go. Fresh new meats. He didn't say anything about if they had any trouble. you know, mounting them and holding the air and all that good stuff. So we're good there. The other one is, can you see it? Yep, the other one is right there. So step one, like I said, I got new tires on the back too. We're going to go ahead and get these wheels as clean as possible. Got the pressure washer over there ready to go. We're gonna use some Dawn dish soap just to clean them, try to strip off anything that's on them. And we're gonna go ahead and get ready to get these bad boys scuffed up. So I'm about to get the wheels off. I'm just gonna lay them right here in front of my garage and we're gonna get the cleaning. Alright, so now we're just gonna wash these up. Get them clean as we can. Alright, so wheels are all clean front and back. And now what I'm going to do is start wet sanding all of the black areas. You'll pencil me. All of the black areas are going to get wet sanded. Of course, I'm not going to touch the brushed areas. Wet sanding with, as you can see right there, 600 grit wet dry, and that's sitting in this tub of soapy water. So basically it's pretty simple. Alright, so should be ready to go now. I'm just gonna grab this. I'm not gonna use a sander block, I'm just using my hand. Again, it's not a car show, this is my daily driver. So let me just go through trying to give you a new paint something to stick to. So basically I'm just looking for when everything gets hazy. I want a solid haziness throughout the whole wheel. So I'm going to work to get that done and I'll give y'all an update. Alright, got everything sanded now. About to use my leaf blower to dry them all off. And what I'm looking for is a slight haze on that black part that I sanded. And if I get that, then I'm good to mask off and get ready for paint. So let's go ahead and get these wheels dry. Alright y'all, so this is where we're at. You can see that I use the phone light. Good and ashy. So I got those two here, those two right here. Now all I got to do, I was about to go ahead and start masking, but I'm going to wipe it down. I got me a little terry cloth here. I'm going to wipe it down in some alcohol just to make sure they're clean as possible. And for the most part, they're all hazy. Just a few corners where it got a little shiny spot, but that should be, I don't know if I'm going to hit it or not, but I mean, like I said, I know I touched everything on the wheel. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol, make sure they're super clean, and then we'll get to masking the wheels off. Alright, wheels are alcohol down. Now it's time for masking tape. Of course, I'm just going to tape up the machined color on all the wheels. Index cards is going to go here, and it's about time to spray these bad boys in. So we're gonna let that dry for 10 minutes. Come back with another coat. Alright y'all, it's time for a little bit heavier coat. As you can see, again, still wet. Yeah, you can see my phone moving in there. These is looking real good. Again, get my phone close. You can see me moving the phone around. Yeah. So we're gonna let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna pull the cards out and flip them up, so that I can get that inside. I'm probably gonna only do two, I'll do 4 coats on the outside. I'll do 2 coats on the inside. We're gonna let that dry. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm not doing any work. So Monday, I will probably put the clear on them, and then we should have some brand new looking wheels. So, and then also I realized I got Lexani tires and Lexani wheels. So, turn up. All right, so the way I'm gonna do this, I'm just gonna spray half of this one, and then roll them to a different position and do the other half. I think I did this dent right here. So this was his concern that the wheel shock on it might not be in the whole air. I think I did that. But anyway, light coat first. Alright y'all, so one more coat. I don't know if I explained in the previous clip, but I did see some runs. It's cold. Today is January 30th. I'm sure it's 30 degrees outside. Not sure what the temperature is in my garage, but I figured I was gonna have a few runs. That's why I went with 4 coats, because I always can wet sand the runs out. Now I see the GoPro ain't gonna be able to pick it up, but overall, man, they look great. Like, they are shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that last coat to the back, and I'm glad I did it, because on these wheels you can see right through to the back of the wheel pretty easy. So I'm gonna add that last coat, then I'm gonna straighten my garage up, roll these to the side, and let them completely dry. Like I say, good thing is my birthday is tomorrow. I don't have to touch these. I'm gonna let them completely dry. I'm gonna wet sand it a little bit, get a couple of the runs out. I should have enough paint on there now to wet sand without going back to the dull black. Once that's done, clearing these bad boys, pulling the tape off, putting them on the car. They should look a million times better. So let me go ahead, add that last coat, and the next time y'all see these wheels, we should be ready to, I might show y'all a little bit of the wet sand process, and then we'll be adding some clear. So, yo, it's the next day, and it is cold. We had snow flurries, so painting tip number 1, do this when it's warm. So anyway, because it was cold and I sprayed kind of heavy, of course I got some runs. If I get close enough, that one. So I got a couple runs on the wheels, and all I'm gonna do is got me some soapy water, some 1500 grit sandpaper. I'm about to go ahead and wet sand these wheels, and then my plan is maybe to hit it with a light coat of black and then let it dry, and then at some point I'll be clear coating these bad boys. So they're looking good though. Like, I've already wet sanded that one earlier today. I just got to do the other 3. So I'm gonna try the time lapse function on the GoPro and get these wheels knocked out. It is cold. Like I say, it's high 30s today. So all right, everything is sanded. Runs are gone. Can't see because the GoPro's at night, but that's how we looking. All right, we back at it again. I got the wheels stood up. I'm running out of paint, but I need another light coat on the front because the old runs just kind of that light finishing. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the back of the wheel first, and then I'm probably gonna get one more can of paint to fix the front, but they're almost there. All right, y'all. I think I'm done. I'm just gonna add some more clear, but I don't think I need to add any more. If you look at that, it's glossy. So I think if I add any more, I'm probably gonna just get myself into a situation where I'm gonna have even more runs, and it's already cold out here. So I'm about to unmask these bad boys and see what they're hitting for. So it should be pretty easy to pull the tape. Should be. Want everything to come off at the same time. Alright. Let's see what we're looking like. Man, still great. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and pull all the tape off and we can check them out. Alright, y'all, it's best to wait till daytime, but man, they looking good. Looking nice and glossy. See that? See, good gloss, good gloss. So, look at that, like, man, before, those would never reflect light like that. So, yeah. It's time to put them back on the car, but we will do that. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I might let them stay in the garage an additional day, but I'll probably put them on Super Bowl Sunday. So we getting there. They're looking a lot better. Yo, all right, here's the finished product of the wheels. I did kind of wash the car a little bit, but you can see there, looking pretty good. Front, what the back looks like. Brand new tires. I did roll my fenders, so no more rubbing in the back. That way we can take care of those brand new tires. So this right here is that bad one with the bend right there, but other than that, shoot, it's looking good. Just back up so you can see the car. And here's the front one out in the sun. So, all in all, job well done. This is the paint that I use. Just some Carline from Lowe's. Fusion all-in-one gloss black and the Color Max clear. So I think I used 4 cans of the black. I don't know if I even used 2 cans of the clear. I think I just used 1 can of clear. So again, not bad. Car looks way better. So with that said, I'm gonna end the video and we can get up out of here. Appreciate y'all for watching. Tune in later.